Hello dear students, welcome to Devika's Commerce and Management Academy. So management account or managerial accounting. So in that we are discussing variance, standard costing and variance analysis. Material cost, variances we are seeing. So in that material cost, material price, material usage over material mix. In material mix last class I told you there are total 3 formulas are there. 3 formulas, when to use it, how to use it, that I explained you. Now today we will see different problem. In the previous class, when both the weights like actual weight, standard weight, both are equal, that we have seen. Today we will see different problem. Before going to the problem, let me remind you all, there are many subjects which already prepared. Check out the playlist. Don't forget to forward these videos. Now coming to today's problem. No, you are going to identify whether we have to use A formula, B formula or C formula. You can identify. So this is the problem. From the following information, calculate material cost variance, material price variance, material usage variance and material mix variance. You know these 3 already I taught you. Material cost, material price, material usage. I already taught you. Formulas also you know. So this is homework for you. I'll show you only the material mix variance today. These 3 you are going to work out. Homework, the answers are given here. Work out and check out your answers. If it is material cost variance, the answer for A product, total material A and B, okay. For A it is 35 unfavorable, B 110 unfavorable. In the same way material price variance if you calculate, for A 45 favorable, B 80 unfavorable, and material usage for A 80 unfavorable, 30 unfavorable. Everything is unfavorable, only here you are finding 45 favorable. You have to work out and write it in the comment box whether you are getting the answers or not. Now coming to the material mix variance. So this is the problem, okay, same like previous problem. The thing is that anything is revised like here when standard quantity is revised due to shortage of material, anything is revised? No, means once again this is ruled out, not going to touch this. Now what else? We'll see the actual weight, standard weight. Both are equal, we'll use this formula. Both are different, we'll use this formula, second formula. Now see the actual weight and standard weight. Standard weight is here 150 and this is 170, right? Quantity 80 plus 70 it is 150. 90 plus 80 comes to 170, means both are different. In the previous problem both were 100 100, right, equal, so we have taken the first formula. Now here both are different, means we'll take the second formula. Are you getting it? How to work out with second formula? Now I'll show you. Formula same thing you have to write the formula here. I'm not writing it once again because already it's written over there. You have to write the formula, then after that calculations. Material mix variance is equal to total weight of actual mix. Total weight of actual mix is 170. Total weight is 170, right? By total weight of standard mix. Total weight of standard mix is 150 into standard cost of standard mix. Standard cost of standard mix means both we have to multiply. 80 into 8 plus 70 into 3. This multiplication we have to do, okay. Everything minus, okay, minus standard cost of actual mix. Standard cost means this one, of actual mix means this, minus 80 into 90, 8 rupees na, 8 into 90 plus 3 into 80. So this you have to do. Once again let me explain the formula. Total weight of actual mix. Total weight of actual mix is 170, right? We know weight of total actual mix, total weight 170 divided by total weight of standard mix total weight 150 into standard cost of standard mix 80 into 80 into 8, okay, plus 70 into 3. So like this we have taken this everything in brackets minus standard cost of actual mix. Standard cost is here, this one, price. Standard cost is this. Standard cost of actual mix means this one, means these two, 8 into 90 plus 3 into 80. That's all. Simple calculations we have to do. Understood it? Now we'll do the calculations. First we'll simplify it, 170 by 150 into, we'll do this 80 into 8, 8 8 is 64, no? 640 plus, I'll write it here, 640 plus 70 into 30, 2100. Sorry, this is 3 rupees, no? Oh. 70 into 3 rupees, 210. It means this is 850. So this calculation is 850 minus this calculation, we'll see, 8 into 90, 720 plus 80 into 3, 240, 960. If you simplify this, 17 into 850 divided by 15, it is 963 minus 960. Means you are getting answer 3. This is favorable. Are you getting it? Once again we'll check the calculations. 170 by 150, this is okay. 80 into 8 plus 70 into 80 into 8 plus 70 into 3, 2110. This is 2110 I am getting. 80 into 80 is 640, okay. 70 into 3, 210. 210, okay. So this is 850, okay. And next one is that 80 into 90, 720. 80 into 3, 240. Yes, 960. So altogether you are getting favorable balance of 3. That's all. So this is about material mix variance. Am I clear? Take a screenshot or note down. I'll give you a recap. In this problem, please remember, as per the given problem, you have to check it out the total quantity. Quantity is equal or unequal, because anyway revision is not there, revised quantity is not there. Means you have to check out the quantities. Quantities are unequal. Unequal means we have taken the second formula. Remember this formula and apply it. That's it. In the coming class, we'll see more problems related to this variance analysis. Stay connected and do check the playlist. Don't forget to forward these videos. Good luck.